I didn't sleep.
I didn't sleep either. I stared at the flight path again.
I've never been to Miami.
This is a business trip.
I know, but it's so cool.
We're meeting her at 7 a.m.
That's so early. What are we gonna say?
Well, we go there, we say hi, we're professional, we hang out, do whatever she wants to do, we get the signature, we go home.
On behalf of Garnier and the whole team, we are so happy to have you on board, Ms. Bündchen.
Well, thank you. I know this is not a typical business meeting, but as you know, wellness is very important to me, and so is everything I sign. That's why I brought my lawyer, Larry, here, and he'll be reading over the contract.
You want me to read it?
Mm-hmm.
Again?
Yes, thank you.
This endorsement agreement, the agreement, is made effective as of the date written above by and between Garnier, founded in 1904 by Alfred Omar Garnier, hereinafter referred to as company or brand. Product and term. Product. The product covered by this agreement in connection with the advertising, promotion, distribution, Instagram posts, reels, TikTok videos per month. Safety data, especially fragrances, preservatives. The initial term of this agreement shall commence
Warrior
on
2.
start date and shall continue
Stretch the arms out.
Distribution and sale of the product during the term. Live endorser with all scripts.
Isn't this relaxing?
Photographs and file advertisements.
You don't pass on animals, right?
Indoors.
Of course not.
You know what? We should take her to the lab.
Great idea.
specific product name and category, e.g.
We're really proud to say that all of our Garnier products are approved by Cruelty Free International.
Estate Corporation.
Impressive, right?
The company brand, endorsee, Garnier, shall for testing of all products presented to the endorser.
Oh, so you really test everything?
Oh yeah, we actually have 100 different tests per product.
Larry, we should read this.
Test number 1. Samples are stored in different
This
environments.
is our new Fructis Diamond Sleek Spray.
They are 100% vegan.
With 100 hours of frizz-free sleek.
Yes, but 100% vegan.
But 100 hours of frizz-free sleek.
More importantly,
You mean...
Fructis Diamond Sleek Spray. 100% vegan. And 100 hours of frizz-free sleek.
Something like that?
Okay, let's go surfing.
Test 58B.
Let's go, let's go.
Toxicologist review all the raw ingredients. Safety data, Estate Corporation for the services of celebrities, legal name, Gisele Bündchen. Diamond Sleek Hair.
Come on, Larry.
And that's it. Last name, first name, and signature.
Yeah, I think that's good. It's really, really good. I'll sign. Does anyone have a pen?
Pen, by chance?
I'll be right back.
Thanks, Larry.
Yes, Larry.
Thank you, Larry.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Larry.
You are so great. Love you. Okay, so let's go around and say something we are grateful about.
Actually, I feel so grateful for today.